Hi friends, today let us see how to prepare Kandarappam, which is another Chettinadu delicacy. It's quite an easy recipe and also very delicious. The main ingredients are listed here for you, and please note that 1 Alakku is equal to 1 cup. First measure 1 Alakku of rice and remove the top portion as seen here. Then add the Urad Dal to fill the top portion now. Be careful in measuring this, do not add too much of Urad Dal. Then 1 teaspoon of Fenugreek seeds. Also measure the jaggery, which is 3/4 of a cup, coarsely broken. And now wash the rice and dal thoroughly and soak it for about 2 hours. Meanwhile, we can get the shredded coconut ready for this recipe. We need about 1/4 cup of shredded coconut. Use fresh coconut so you can get the best flavor. If you have shredder, you can use that. Otherwise, you can just slice the coconut and then grind it in a mixie jar. So there is 1/4 cup of shredded coconut. And then when the rice and dal is fully soaked, grind it in a mixie jar with very little or no water preferably. Check the consistency here. It's preferable that it is thick and not very watery. When the batter is ground finely, add the jaggery and grind it for about 1 more minute. Then finally add the shredded coconut and cardamom powder and grind it for 15 to 20 seconds, not more. So the batter is ready now. You can check the consistency here. It is little watery like dosa batter. You can refrigerate this for about 20 to 30 minutes to get it to this consistency as shown here. This is perfect and you can start making Kandarappam with this. Heat oil in a deep small pan. Add a pinch of salt to the batter and mix thoroughly before making the Kandarappam. Once the oil is hot, pour a spout full of batter into the hot oil. You will see that the Kandarappam will rise to the surface and fills in with air. Sprinkle more oil and turn it around. And cook it for some time so it will stay crispy for longer. Now there's a close-up shot here. You can see how the Kandarappam rises to the surface and fills in with air. So that's how you want it to cook, and that's the right heat. Turn it around. And it's always advisable that you prepare one at a time because it may get sticky and messy if you are doing 2 or 3 at a time. So hot and sweet Kandarappam is now ready. You can see how it is very well cooked and soft from the inside and crispy on the ends. If the oil is not hot enough, you would have a very flat and dull colored Kandarappam like this. So it's very important that the oil is hot enough but not too hot again, So hope you enjoy this recipe. Thank you for watching this video and see you soon again with another recipe. There are more tips and notes to help you with the recipe further.